Hey everyone, I'm excited to be here with you today. Let me start by sharing a bit about our journey, Detailers Movement, who was founded by Ed Bews. Ed also owns 26 detailing, PPF and window tint centers across Vietnam. We also operate a training academy that's trained over 1,000 installers in ceramic coating, PPF and window tint since 2016. I have personally been working in the auto industry for over 20 years, starting as a car washer at 17 years old, then becoming a detailer and eventually moving into the sales division, where I didn't take long to move into management of new car divisions for brands like Mercedes-Benz and BMW. I've also provided training for dealers such as Volkswagen Australia. So our team here at Detailers Movement is deeply embedded in the auto industry, and we understand the challenges and opportunities that come with it. 4 years ago, Ed founded Detailers Movement with one mission: to help detailers and film installers grow their business using the same strategies that brought him success. From PPC and SEO to content marketing and more, he discovered the recipe for success and decided to build a team to share it with detailers worldwide. We've designed and developed over 500 plus websites for auto detailers and film installers all over the world. We have over 100 active SEO and ad partners in the USA, Canada, UK, Dubai, Australia, Singapore, and more using our team's services. First up, let me introduce Skylar, our General Manager and Head of our Paid Ads Division. Skylar leads a fantastic team that focuses on driving targeted traffic straight to your detailing business. Whether you're offering ceramic coating, PPF, tint, or interior detailing services, Skylar and her team make sure your ads are laser targeted to the right customers. They're the ones behind your Google and Facebook ads, ensuring that the messaging speaks directly to people who are looking for high quality detailing. Whether it's highlighting the benefits of paint protection or running seasonal promotions, they create ad campaigns that convert. They also monitor and adjust your campaigns to get you the best return of investment, so every dollar you spend works harder. Let's meet our account managers. These guys are the main point of contact between you and all the strategies we're implementing. Whether it's adjusting your ad campaigns, building out a marketing plan for your specific region, or ensuring everything's on track, they're constantly working to ensure your business stays at the top of its game. They keep in contact with all our partners every week, checking the quality of leads, seeing how the business is doing, and implementing new strategies to improve every week. Now we move to our content team. They create informative SEO optimized blogs that help your website rank higher in search results. They also craft engaging social posts explaining everything from the benefits of ceramic coating to why tinting isn't just about aesthetics. It's about protecting interiors from harmful UV rays. These are the people ensuring that your brand's voice stays consistent across all platforms, connecting with customers and keeping them engaged. They love writing SEO optimized articles and get very excited when the SEO team report the ranking improvements each month. They are passionate about helping you dominate in your area by structured SEO and social content. Let's head over to our graphic design team. This is where all the visuals come to life. Whether you need a sleek, modern website, eye-catching banners, or logos that scream professionalism, these designers do it all. Whether you're in the auto, marine, or aircraft industry, we have experience in all areas. They are working on designing banners for our clients' PPF landing pages, creating brand awareness designs that reflect the quality of high-end detailing and protection services, and developing visual content for social ads that grab attention immediately. Whether it's a Facebook ad showing a freshly detailed car or a YouTube banner promoting ceramic coating, this team makes sure your brand always looks polished and professional. First impressions matter, and these visuals are crucial for making sure customers see the value of your services the right way. Now let's move downstairs to the ads team. These guys handle the day-to-day management of your ad accounts. Whether it's running Google search ads to capture leads looking for PPF services or targeting local customers on Facebook who need an interior detail. They're in the trenches, managing campaigns for tint, coatings, interior details, auto detailing, and more. They're constantly optimizing, looking at what's performing and what's not, and how to adjust the budget to get the best results. For example, they'll tweak an ad targeting ceramic coatings based on weather trends or adjust PPF campaigns to highlight the long-term value of protection during the winter months. The goal is always to bring you more leads and convert them into paying customers. Now let's check in with our SEO experts. SEO is all about getting your website to rank higher in search engine results, and these guys are experts at making that happen. Long-term SEO is where it's at. The cost for leads via SEO in the long term is very low compared to constantly paying for ads each month. SEO pays off but takes time. If you're in a business for the long run, surely you can wait 6 to 12 months to see these results and have long-term organic leads. They're running reports on your website performance, tracking everything from keyword rankings to how many visitors are clicking on your service pages. They optimize your website for local searches like ceramic coating near me or best PPF installation in your city. This way, when people are searching for detailing services in your area, your website is the first one they see. It's all about driving organic traffic and making sure you're visible online. On top of that, the reports they provide for our partners are incredible. 20 to 30 pages of detailed information to see where you've improved every month. Finally, we have the Apeax marketing team. These are the people who are dedicated to growing the Apeax, PPF and tint brand globally. They work on everything from designing high-converting landing pages to crafting targeted email campaigns, creating videos that highlight your services, and supporting our brand ambassadors in the USA with social media marketing, video editing support, and much more. They're focused on expanding the Apeax name worldwide, ensuring our messaging reaches the right audience. Whether it's a new video showcasing the benefits of PPF or a strategic email campaign designed to nurture potential customers, this team plays a critical role in elevating your brand. Their work helps us not only stay ahead of the competition, but also build a global reputation for excellence in protection film and window tinting services. That's it for today's tour and discussion, everyone. But before we wrap up, I want to invite you to book a call with me today. Let's talk about how we can help you grow your business. We're not all talk. We have the team, we have the experience, and we're 100% committed to your success. A 30-minute call is free, but for your business, it could be invaluable. It costs nothing but a little bit of time, and I can assure you, I can provide you with some advice and insights to grow your business in ways you may never have thought of. So please, reach out, let our team help you grow. So work with us at Detailers Movement and let us help you scale your business. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.